Next, we're going to go into the second portion, which is intercepting events with model listeners. So model listeners are able to listen to persistence events on models and their associations. Model listeners are OSGI components that implement the model listener interface and that usually extend the base model listener class. These are all available for both core services and custom service builder generated services. Some of the events that are available to us are on before add association, on before create, on before remove association, on before update, on after add association, on after create, on after remove association, and on after update. Association events are triggered on model associations, like a user joining a group. Some example use cases for model listeners include things like notifying or auditing on model persistence events, or clearing a custom cache on an entity update. Here we're going to take a look at one of the model listener examples, and you'll notice that we're specifying the service here, which is modelListener.class. And we're going to go ahead and name this class Custom Layout Listener, which extends the base model listener. And in this case, we're going to extend the base model listener layout. Some things that are good to know are that model listeners are called before a database transaction is complete, and that the order in which the listeners are invoked cannot be set. So for quick steps to create a model listener, we're going to 1, create a new Liferay module using the API template. 2, create a model listener component using the Liferay component class wizard. 3, create a component extending the base model listener class. And 4, implement the event handler method. So going over answers to our summary, model listeners are OSGI components that implement the COM Liferay portal kernel model listener interface and extend the COM Liferay portal kernel model base model listener. And the association named events are triggered on model associations.